Okay, so welcome back. This is video 2. I couldn't fit everything into one video, so this is part 2. This is going to be the jump rope and the shuttle run. So I'm going to make this one as quick as possible. Sorry guys, sometimes I get long-winded. I get excited to teach and then I just start talking and talking. So forgive me and thank you for watching. So in the jump rope, I have my stopwatch. For some of you guys, your jump rope test is going to be 3 minutes. So for like your 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, you're going to go for 3 minutes. You're going to jump as many times as you can for 3 minutes. If you mess up, you do not start all over at 0. You just keep going. So if I jump 10 times and I miss, then I don't start at 0. I go 11, 12, and I just keep going. So keep your total for 3 minutes. I got my stopwatch ready. For those of you in kindergarten, 1st, and 2nd grade, you're going to do just 1 minute, as many as you can. And again, you'll compare your score to the rubric. However many you did, you'll scroll across the jump rope and see how many that would get you, like a 1, 2, 3, or 4. That's the whole purpose of this. Then you can set your goal based upon your performance. If I only did 20 jump ropes, maybe my goal is 45 for the next time. So I would practice for a week or 2, then I would take the test again and see if I could achieve my goal, see if I could improve. All right? So the first thing for jump rope, let me just tell you one thing. In order to pick a jump rope that is the correct length for you, you're going to want to step in the middle of it, and it should reach up to about, when you pull it tight, to about your armpits here. Now this one is just a little bit short for me, just a little short. However, I'm 6'2", so, and with shoes on I'm 6'3", so it's of course going to be just a little bit small for me. And it's an elementary jump rope, so for most of you, it would be perfect or way longer than necessary. All right? So that's how you pick your jump rope. Now the second thing is actually jump roping. You're going to want to keep your handles at about your waist, and you're going to want to use your wrist in order to twirl the rope over your head. The lower you jump, the more reps you can get. The biggest mistake I find in jump roping and on their test is students, when they jump so high to clear the rope that they don't need to, and they waste so much time. When you're jumping rope, the rope is only this big. So you only need to jump this high to clear it. You don't need to jump 3 feet in the air in order to clear the rope. It's this big, so you need to jump this high in order to clear it. So in order to get a good score, keep your hands at about your waist, and then use your wrist to twirl the rope, and then jump only high enough to clear the rope. That way you can get more reps, you can go faster. So I'm going to do the test now as an example. I'm going to do just a minute like a kindergarten, 1st, 2nd grade test. I could go 3, but for the sake of this video, I don't think you want to watch me jump for 3 minutes. So I'll do 1 minute and I'll see my score. Here we go. Set and go. I'm going to do 2. Okay, so I stopped the timer. I was a little bit slow stopping it, but I stopped it at 105, or 102 actually, 102, so 2 seconds too slow. And I did well over 100. I think I did like 160. I don't know, I didn't count exactly, but I believe I did well over 100. I think I did 160 in a minute. If I did that for 3 minutes, I would probably get a 1 in jump rope, but that's because I'm a pretty skilled jumper. Now, if you mess up, it's okay. Just start again. Keep going, keep your number, keep counting, just do your best. So that's the jump rope. Number 1, pick a rope that's good enough for you for your length. if you have them or if you have options. Some people might just use an extension cord. Some people might just tie some shirts together and jump the shirts. Just do your best, whatever you got. Use a rope, use a string, anything you got at home, that will work. So that's the first thing. Number two, remember, don't jump so high. Try to jump low to get more repetitions in a lower amount of time. And we'll go from there. Okay, so that's the jump rope test. Next is the shuttle run, I'm sorry. The shuttle run is your fourth test. We're doing this one at home in replacement for the mile run because it's too cold to be running a mile. Now, if you have a treadmill at home, then run on the treadmill a mile and do your mile run. See what your time would be. I'll post the mile times and see what you get. So, for me, I'm gonna run this. You run down, you grab an object, you run back, you drop it, you run back, get the second object, run back and run all the way through and stop the stopwatch to see what your time would be. So here's an example of how the shuttle run is done. This is a 10-meter shuttle run, so it's about 32 feet. 10 meters is equal to 32 feet. These tiles are a foot, are 12 inches, so I just count 32 of the tiles, and I know it's about right for 10 meters. So when you're doing your measurement at home, just take something that's a foot, like a ruler, 12 inches, and then just do 30 or 32 of those, and you're about 10 meters, okay? It's not important to be exact, but close. So I'm gonna start it, on your mark, get set, go. Run down, get the object, run back, set it down, run back, get the object, run all the way through. And I did it in 11 seconds and 11.34 seconds. So I could do it again and try to improve my time, but I would check what 11 seconds is in comparison to the fitness test and see if I got a 1, 2, 3, or 4. So that's this week's lesson. It's fitness testing. Hopefully you guys find something you like. Try the push-ups, try the sit-ups, set an achievable goal, set an aspiring goal, something that you can strive for, and then try the shuttle run, try the jump rope if you have one. If you don't, it's okay. It's, not everybody has the equipment, but just do your best this week. So hopefully you like it. Welcome back, week 17. Thanks for participating. See you guys next week.